Today another video, the things that we cook when we travel. Georgian salad. This one we learned here in Georgia, and it's a salad really good. And the salad have something nice that they put walnut in the salad. This one I don't make with walnut, but you can add the walnut. The another one is the omelette. It's a omelette one like adaption to this country because here they sell a lot of cheese and we put the cheese our omelette and it's really good, really nice. I hope that you enjoy, and please give me a like and subscribe if you not subscribe, and don't forget to activate the little bell. Okay guys, see you later. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Well guys, we started with the salad. The ingredients are easy to find, you find in the description too, and it's put all together and mix it. You can add vinegar or lime if you want, the same almond or walnut. Okay. Now we started with the omelette. The omelette we use this cheese. It's a smoked cheese. Um, Easy ingredients to is the we find here easily. I use only the stick of the emulsion and then is put all together and mix it. This one is for 2 omelettes and I use 2 eggs for omelette, and the same put all of them mix it, put in the pan. It's pretty easy to make. I cover the omelette a little bit, and when it's almost ready, I use the plate for flip it, like a Spain technique, and how they do that with the tortilla. There are 2 tortillas or 2 omelettes, salad, and plain rice. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.